Hello friends, welcome to Term Science. Today's topic is about syllabus overview of engineering thermodynamics. Subject code is ME8391 for Anna University, Tamil Nadu. In this video, we will discuss the main objective of this course, syllabus for each unit, outcomes after completion of the syllabus, and textbooks that are available for this syllabus. Now we will move on to objectives. The first objective is to understand the fundamentals of thermodynamics. Before that, we need to know what is meant by thermodynamics. Thermo means heat, dynamic means work. So, conversion of heat to work or work to heat, or dealing with heat or work. During conversion, what happens to heat or work and those properties? That's only we are going to see. That is our main objective. Fundamentals of thermodynamics. The next one, to perform thermal analysis on their behavior and performance. For example, you take water. Assume that we are supplying heat to the water. We have to observe the behaviors of water during heating. Either phase change occurs, temperature rise, like that, or you are compressing gas or expanding gas. During compression, what happens to gas, or expansion, what happens to the gas, and how effectively it happens. Either the system is absorbing more heat or it delivers more heat, or the system is consuming more work or producing more work. These are the main objective of this course. Now we will move on to the syllabus. Unit 1 is basic concepts and first law. This unit 1 we categorize into 4 divisions. First one, we are going to see basic concepts like approach. How we are going to study thermodynamics, like molecular level or without molecular level. Next, thermodynamic system. We know that anything can be called as a system. The system which operate under thermodynamics we call thermodynamic systems, and the system types you will see here. Next, properties. Any characteristic of the substance we call property. Here we will discuss thermodynamic properties like pressure, temperature, specific volume, like that. Next, process. We know that process means occurs from one state to other state. That we will see here, like flow process, non-flow process, steady flow process, unsteady flow process, rotational, irrotational, reversible, irreversible, turbulence, like that we will discuss here. Also, we will discuss state, path, all these things. The next categories we will discuss about heat and work. How to derive the expression for heat and work in first law. We will discuss that. Next, we will talk about zeroth law of thermodynamics, that is temperature and thermal equilibrium. Here we will discuss new temperature scales like degree Celsius, Kelvin, Fahrenheit, Rankine, all these things we will see. And finally, we will see about first law of thermodynamics for open system as well as closed system. In that, very important, steady flow energy equation, simply we call SFEA. Also, we will discuss here constant volume process, constant pressure process, isothermal process, adiabatic process, also polytropic process. And we will derive the expression for all these process. Next unit is second law and availability analysis. Second law means we'll come to know Kelvin-Planck statement, Clausius statement. Kelvin says you can do anything but there will be a loss. Clausius says the heat can be transferred from only high temperature to low temperature. This unit we categorized into 5 categories. The first category is we will discuss statement of second law, that is Kelvin-Planck Clausius statement. In that we will see heat engine, heat pump and refrigerator. Heat engine, thermal energy to mechanical. Heat pump is a device which maintains a temperature higher than the surrounding. Refrigerator is maintain a body temperature lower than the surrounding. Next we will discuss Carnot cycle. This is a theoretical cycle which operates between two temperature limits, and this can be implemented for all systems. The next one, entropy. We know what is meant by entropy. It is a degradation of energy or disorderliness in the system that we will discuss. Then next we will discuss availability analysis, that is available and non-available energy using entropy only. Next we will discuss second law efficiency like irreversibility, all these things. Unit 3 is properties of pure substance and steam power cycle. This unit we categorize into 5 categories, but we have only 2 major categories. So first one, formation of steam. So we will discuss from ice to up to superheated steam with PV diagram, PT diagram, TV diagram, TS diagram, HS diagram, finally PVT surfaces. Next one, how to use steam table and Mollier chart. This two is very useful for finding out the properties of formation of steam. Next one, we will discuss how to find out dryness fraction during phase change from liquid to vapor. Also, how to implement these things on first and second law of thermodynamics, that we will discuss here. Problems. Next one, Rankine cycle. We will discuss ideal and actual Rankine cycle, theory as well as problem, and how to improve the efficiency of the Rankine cycle. Rankine cycle is nothing but thermal power plant. So that one we will discuss in unit 3. Next one, unit 4, ideal and real gases is one topic, thermodynamic relations is other topic. So first one, ideal and real gases. We know what is meant by ideal gas equation, PV is equal to MRT. If you go real gas equation, we have so many equations. Simply example, van der Waals equation. So we will see the comparison between ideal and real gas equation in this unit. Also we will see what is meant by compressibility factor, critical properties, reducible properties, how to use compressibility chart also we will discuss for the real gases. Then we will go for thermodynamic relations like Maxwell equation, entropy equation, Cp minus Cv, that is gas constant, gas index, Joule-Thomson coefficient, all these thermodynamic relations we will see. This is completely derivation part. Next unit, unit 5, gas mixtures and stoichiometry, two major. So gas mixture means we have two different gases mixing together at different pressure and temperature. During that time we will find out what is the pressure, temperature, gas index, gas constant, everything we will find out. That is your gas mixtures topic, like mole fraction, mass fraction, everything we will discuss. The next one, stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is nothing but study on atmospheric air. Very simple. So about atmospheric air we are going to study. Stoichiometric properties, dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, relative humidity, partial pressure, everything we will see here, which is useful for air conditioning in our homes. Also we will discuss the process, heating, cooling, humidification, dehumidification, evaporative fuel. So all these things we will see unit 5. Now we will have big doubt, either thermodynamic is problematic subject or theoretical subject. I tell you guys, 90% is problematic, 10% is theoretical. We will come one by one unit. First unit, 90% problematic. Only we have theoretical part, steady flow energy equation. And unit 2, we have Carnot cycle alone, theoretical part, rest of everything problematic. Unit 3, we have again complete problematic, where we have derivation to find out efficiency of Rankine cycle as a theory part. And unit 4, completely derivation part. So we can say it's a theoretical part, it's not problematic. Unit 5, we have 50-50. So gas mixtures is completely problematic part, and psychometry we have theoretical part as well as problematic part, where cyclomatic properties is problematic and psychometric process is theoretical part. What is the outcome if you see for these 5 units? As an engineer, you can implement all these fundamentals on application of thermal engineering like air conditioning, refrigerator, IC engines, steam power plant. All these things we will implement. That is the outcomes. And if you see textbooks, there are so many textbooks are available. So for example, I given 5 textbooks: PK Nag Engineering Thermodynamics, Natarajan E Engineering Thermodynamics, Singles and Bowles is very good textbook for theoretical understanding. Hallman and Radhakrishnan E. You can go for all these textbooks. It is available in internet also. And also one more textbook is available, Rajput Engineering Thermodynamics. If you like this video, kindly share, subscribe, like. If you have any doubt about syllabus, kindly comment in the comment box. I will get touch with you. Thank you.